Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about: the eCloth Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Glass Cleaner Kit. If you're tired of streaky windows and mirrors, this might just be your new best friend. Stick around to find out why. So, let's dive right into it. The eCloth Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Glass Cleaner Kit is making waves in the world of cleaning products, and for a good reason. It's widely regarded as one of the best window cleaning cloths available in the market today. Now, let's break down what makes this product so exceptional. This kit includes two essential components: the window cloth and the glass and polishing cloth. Both are made of high-quality microfiber material, and here's the best part. They work their magic with just water, no need for harsh chemicals or sprays. Here's how it works. The window cloth, with its innovative waffle weave design, is your first step. Simply dampen it with water and start wiping your surface. It's designed to trap dust, grease, and grime with its microscopic, wedge-shaped fibers. And the best part is, it doesn't let go of the dirt until you rinse it out. After you've done the initial wipe, it's time to bring out the glass and polishing cloth. This dry cloth is like the finishing touch. It erases streaks and leaves your windows and mirrors crystal clear. It's like magic. Now, let's talk about some key features that make this eCloth kit stand out. It's eco-friendly and reusable. These cloths can be washed and used again and again, helping you save money while reducing waste. Each cloth comes with a 100 wash, 1-year promise, so you know they're built to last. eCloth is dedicated to environmentally friendly cleaning methods, so you're not only getting a clean home but also helping to leave the world a better place. Don't just take my word for it. Let's see what customers are saying. With over 19,000 ratings, it boasts a 4.7-star average rating on Amazon. Users love its durability, ease of use, and incredible value for money. Plus, it's Amazon's choice for reusable cleaning cloths by eCloth. You might be wondering how it stacks up against the competition. Well, it's often compared to other brands like Norwex, but users seem to prefer eCloth for its effectiveness and affordability. So, there you have it, folks. The eCloth Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Glass Cleaner Kit. If you're tired of battling streaks and smudges on your windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces, this kit is a game-changer. With its eco-friendly design, it's a win for your wallet and the environment. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. And as always, if you've used this product before, share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy cleaning!